Hi everyone, I am going to give you a few tips on how I stay on track when I'm traveling. So I'm at the airport right now and I'm going to share with you a couple tips that I do. So first is hydration. So bring an empty water bottle whenever you're traveling and be sure to fill it up at the airport so you stay hydrated through your travel. The second thing is about nutrition. So I'm not always sure what I'm going to be faced with at the airport. So what I do is I take some protein powder and I put it in a bag. I wasn't sure this was going to get through security, but it did. So my favorite protein powders, one is Truvani protein powder, and the second one I really like is the Total Reset protein powder that Forum Health has. And I add some chia seeds so I get some really good healthy fats. And what I do then is when I get on the airplane and I'm offered a drink, I get some more water, I keep my cup, and then I pour the protein powder in there and I just mix it with some water to make it like a pudding consistency. And then I have a good serving of protein and some fats along with some great nutrients, especially the Total Reset because it has a lot of great nutrients in it. And the other tip I have is when you're waiting for your plane, if you have a delay or if you have a long wait, get some steps in, walk around the airport and get some extra steps in. And the last tip I have is relaxation. When you are on the plane, think about deep breathing. Maybe take a couple extra minutes and just take some deep breaths in, hold it and deep breaths out and relax and enjoy the trip ahead. So safe travels to everyone and hope you are having a safe summer.
Hi, Dr. Saxena here, Chief Medical Officer at Forum Health. Thanks for visiting our channel. Make sure to subscribe to get the latest insights and information on functional and integrative medicine.